all the chickens back here will be gone tomorrow. Unfortunately, they have to go to the auction because I can't take them. These little ones in here, these little ones, not the roosters are going away, but Dot and all of the little ones. Up there is my little Robin. And that guy, they're all going. That girl, I mean. Robin's daughters are all going. These two, of course, are going. My baby girls. I keep promising them that they're going to Virginia and we'll be out of this incredible cold. Hey, Willow, I'm going to get you some more hay, baby. Hi, Willow. Hi, baby girl. Yeah. Let me see. No, you're not eating my phone. I don't know. She's got a cut on this foot. Yes, baby. Yeah, get your nose. Yeah, she shut off the phone, so I missed it. But Willow, stop. Anyway, she's got a cut on that. No, Willow, get your nose out of the way. On that foot. Ah, Willow. Where is your foot? Please stop licking the phone. Oh, there goes the water again. Okay, well, I can't show you it because she just won't keep her nose out of the way. But she's got a pretty bad cut. We've been putting blue coat on it. This is the only water they can have, and they keep spilling it. Hey, Dream a Dream. Hey, Dream a Dream. See that white mark on her nose? She's always had it. William just noticed it yesterday. Yes, my Dream a Dream. Yes, my babies. Oh, it's so cold. Jammies and Crocs. Yep. And a sweatshirt. Hey, you mister. How you doing? He is also going. I'm not leaving my big boy here by himself. No. He is not staying here. Hey, guys. And everybody, and this one is going. Everybody. These guys hatched with my little Blinky, and they are all going. What are you doing out, lady? The goat was shivering, so we locked everybody up. And this one, we had a straggler. Where were you at, lady? Yeah. Where were you? Going? Oh, goodness. How you doing? Yeah. How? Get back in there. Okay, just say hi, okay? He was shivering pretty bad, so he's staying in there. Yeah. So we did okay in the storm. Lost a few chickens. Mostly everybody did all right. It's my wreath, my Merry Christmas sign. It's going with me. have to come out here later and put him to bed. He keeps trying to not go to bed. Ever since the storm, he doesn't sleep in his usual places. This is just a quick one. I'm sorry I couldn't get any video during the storm. It was pretty bad. A picture of Dreamer and the storm I'll put up. Hey, baby. Yeah, that's where her cut is. See it? That's from the ice. We've been putting Blue Coat on it every day. Hey! Don't bite. Yeah, Willa just tried to bite me. That's love for you. Oh, shoot. You guys are wanting hay. I'm sorry. I meant to get you some. I meant to get you some hay, baby girls. Apparently, I can't shoot video and feed my horses at the same time. We're leaving Friday morning. Oh, crap. All right, hold on. Sorry about that. Had to put Pretty Boy up, and while doing that, I wiped out. Gotta pause you again. Sorry about having to pause you all the time. But because of the condition of the ice and the snow, girls have just been living in this little space here for quite a while, ever since the storm hit. So that's where we've been feeding them. That's why there's so much poop here. Anyway, I'm gonna go back in the house because I am cold. I wiped out in the snow. Now my butt hurts. And I'm just going back in. Oh my God, it's so cold. Hey, pretty babies. Yep, I'll be out to lock y'all up here in a little bit. Anyway, I will talk to you later. Love you. Bye.